What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are going to be doing it. This is a tutorial on how to do the duping glitch. Super easy and fun to do. There's a couple specific ingredients you'll need. The ingredients you'll need. So first of all, you want to come over here. First, you want to grab yourself stick, crowbar, or bat. Or if you want a bone, it's just a different stick. Doesn't matter. But grab yourself one of these. I'll use stick. Oh my god, I'm stuffy. Okay, but you want a piece of goop. And you will want to grab yourself. Nope. You won't want to scroll all the way down, get yourself a crossbow. What you will want to do is do this. Make sure it's on there. Can somebody rewind the? What was that? What was that? Can it? Well, I have no idea what that was, but okay. That was weird. Maybe a little difficult to get on, as I was gonna say. But after you do this, you want to go over to your saving. I already have it, so like I don't need to do it. This is just a demonstration. Actually, just for the demonstration, I will clear this and I will scan it. Then you want to come over to a different one, or just take that one off. You want to spawn it. Then you will have it will make sure it doesn't have goop, of course. And then what you want to do is, when you have that, another piece of stick, you will want a bag for what you're gonna dupe, and you're gonna want a piece of goop. Throw the goop on there. Put it on. Then you'll want to do the same. Save this invention. If you have two, it's super easy. Then you'll have this contraption. What you'll want to do is you'll want to drop it off, go in your stash or whatever you're trying to get. I'm trying to do a massive bag of rain. I'll do 18. But you will need to grab this. It's very heavy, but I kind of forgot that part. I kind of need to spawn it in. There we go. Now, we'll make sure this doesn't have goop on it. And you want to pour this backpack's worth into here. What I'm showing you, this is how the money glitch and the fish glitch for getting fish. So I will show you. Then you want to make sure it's on here. When you go in here, you will want to hold the crossbow, press Y or whatever you're using, put it on your back, and then enter a random code. Suggest entering a non-public code. It will summon you in. You will see you have this and this. Time to go back to my code. And then you should have one here and one on your back. This is super easy. And then you can drop one of them. And because I kind of need these so I can keep doing glitches, I will buy myself a bag and I will dump it into the bag. That's everything. There's gonna be 18 trout in rainbow trout in that bag. Want to probably put that there. And I suggest drinking hot cocoa, hot chocolate, whatever you want to call it. But then you want to just sell it. This is 18, not the full amount, but I can put 21. That's how much money you get from literally 18 fish. 64,000. I mean, not a lot for me, but I mean, it's really good. And this would be empty. If you want to do it again, you can. You are welcome to. What you want to do, just put it there. You'll probably want to keep this so you can, well, do whatever you need to. You can dupe it as many times as you want. This is the max amount of trout you can have. 21. Well, not the max, but max for me. Normal max for these backpacks is 20. You do need to own everything you're using, so you can't like use a friend's. You want to just pop it on there. Hold it. Come over here. Press your button. Grab it. Put it on your back. Enter a random code. And then, this is a dupe of even more. This is 21, a dupe of 21. You can just pop it in there, drop it. The one on your back will be the original. A lot of these I know are pretty fake, but this is all. This will get you probably around 70K. Yup. That is 74,986 nuts. Well, I guess that's a like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. And another thing you'll need to know about this is if you can't dupe over $1 million worth in, well, 30 minutes, and you want to reset your game after duping about 900K. So because if you dupe that much, it's worth. But can't do a lot of other dupes. You can put those all in there, get everything. Well, see you guys next time. I hope you guys find this helpful. And goodbye.